I took the red pill. And now I see a
glitch in the matrix.
So if you want to be like Neo and get a glitch effect in Premiere Pro, then you're in the right place. So why would you want this effect? What's so special about this effect? Well, a glitch effect can convey some kind of technological problem or signal interrupt, and that can give a film a really aggressive look and edge because there's some kind of breakdown or something's wrong. But how do you add this effect to your films and make it look convincing? Well, the good news is you're going to get 3 glitch effects for Premiere Pro that enable you to build your own custom glitch effect. By the way, if you want a more retro or analog looking glitch, check out our video Back to the Future with VHS overlay. So you'll find the download link for the files in the description below. You're getting 3 files in the PRF preset format, which is the Premiere Pro preset standard. Now let's glitch into Premiere Pro. Here we'll go into the effects panel, right click on the presets bin, and choose import preset from the drop-down menu. We'll browse for our glitch presets and import them. It won't let you import in bulk, so we'll need to repeat the process one by one. You can see I already have some clips in my timeline, and let's say we want to use the glitch effect as a transition between these 2 clips. We'll first move the second clip to track 2, making sure there's overlap between the clips. The overlap is important so that we can see both clips at the same time during the glitch transition. Now going back to our presets, you'll see we have a glitch preset for the clip at the bottom, one for the clip on top, and one for an adjustment layer that will go over both clips. First, let's apply the glitch top clip preset to the clip on track 2. And you'll see this preset applies to the clip 4 instances of the wave warp effect and 1 instance of the offset effect. The first wave warp effect has a smooth noise wave type, and its properties are animated with keyframes. As I move the playhead, you can see it goes from 0 distortion to horizontal distortion, then vertical distortion, then back to horizontal, and finally 0 distortion again. The second instance of the wave warp effect has a sawtooth wave type and a similar keyframe animation. But these type of distortions allows us to see part of the image below on track 1. The third one is a noise wave type and gives us a vertical offset and duplication or echo. The fourth one is a noise wave type 2, but it's set to create a horizontal distortion that lets us see part of the image below. Finally, the offset effect is moving the image up and down. You can enable all 5 effects or just a couple of them. It's up to you to find the right combination of glitch effects that suits your footage. You can even modify the keyframes to make the glitch last longer or shorter. Though having them all enabled might be a bit of an overkill, so we'll just enable the second and fourth instances of the wave warp effect and the offset effect. Let's hit play and see how it looks. It's already looking pretty good, but let's pump this up a notch. The image at the bottom should be distorted too, so I'll apply the glitch bottom clip preset to it. We'll disable the clip on top so we can see what this preset is doing. We have an offset effect that moves the image up and down, and a minor effect that is creating a duplicate of the image that shows up on the right side for a moment. You can play around with this glitch as much as you like making the offset more aggressive, having the mirror image stay a little longer, you name it, the options are endless. Now if we enable again the image on top and hit play, there we have a totally customizable glitch effect Premiere Pro in just a few seconds. And if I slowly move the playhead over it, you can see both images coming and going in the middle of all that distortion. As a final touch, we'll add an adjustment layer over the transition and apply the glitch adjustment layer preset to it. This contains a Lumetri color correction that modifies the contrast, color balance, hue, and saturation in a way that helps sell the idea of a bad signal and lost image quality. And the VR digital glitch effect adds some chromatic aberration and some pixels out of place. Let's render this and watch the final result. Now we're talking. But that's not all. Here we're using the glitch as a transition, but you can apply it anywhere in the middle of any clip too. Let's jump to this other clip and cut the part where we want the glitch to appear. Then apply the glitch top clip preset. We'll disable the second and fourth instances of the wave warp effect so it looks different from our transition. Then position an adjustment layer over the glitch and apply the glitch adjustment layer preset and hit play. Wowza! I can see the matrix glitching. Let's jump to another version of the same edit where I already applied several glitches and added some audio so you can get an idea of what you can do just playing around with these presets. Boom! We're ready for prime time. Now, you can use effects and graphics to enhance your edit, but remember, the real trick up your sleeve to sell the look and make your film look big time is in the color grading. Just take a look at the same edit before and after the grade. That's a huge difference that can make or break your film. Now, color grading can be tough, requiring a steep learning curve, but don't worry, we've got you covered with CinemaGrade. CinemaGrade is a plugin we've designed for content creators who don't want to specialize in color grading, but still want to get the same professional-looking results. CinemaGrade lets you do this by bypassing traditional 20-year-old controls that were developed in the 90s, offering you direct on-screen color grading in the viewer, Lightroom-style sliders, false color view for getting the right exposure, easy shot-to-shot and color matching, real-time previews of your library of LUTs, and support for the X-Rite color checker chart for doing automatic corrections. You'll find a link for CinemaGrade in the description below, and we offer a free 7-day trial. And if doing things on your own and having greater control and understanding the image, if that's something that you're into and you want to take it further, then I want to extend an invite to our free 1-hour online color grading workshop where we dive into the fundamentals and reveal the kinds of tips and tricks that you don't normally see on YouTube, and we'll have a special offer for our Color Grading Academy at the end for those who want to fast track their success. So check out these options for all your color grading needs. If we can help you to get the look of your films to stand out, and that means you landing better projects with bigger clients, we want to help you do that and see or set your films apart. So that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and then the bell to be notified of more videos like these. I'll see you in the next one. Let's make the grade.